Anyway, today we're going to show you all the appliances in here: dishwasher, oven, and microwave, and the refrigerator. I'll start with the refrigerator. This is a Hot Point refrigerator. Oh yes, my little sister likes to do drawings and stuff. So sorry that's up there, but anyway. As you guys can see here, get up to the specs. I'll try to make it to where you guys can see. Alright, sorry about the technical difficulties. The lens is a little messed up, so I'll just read it. Model number is a HSS25GFTABB. Serial number is a DM2316178. Minimum installation clearances, you probably don't want to hear it, but I'll just say it anyway. 1 inch, the back, 1.0 inch, back 1.0 inch, sides 0.13 inch, 110, 127 volts AC, 11.2 amps, R134A, refrigerant charge, in 4.75 ounces. Now I must tell you one thing, these are the only two GE appliances in the house. They were all GEs until the microwave was replaced and the dishwasher was replaced. Speaking of dishwasher, let's do that. This is a Bosch dishwasher. It's one of the nice ones here. That's plastic, I think. Looks plasticky. Where's the specs? Let me get down here. Oh, here are the specs. Okay, so I'm gonna try focusing on this one. Alright, this camera's a little messed up, but I'll read this one. It's a SHE, model number of course, SHE 55R52UC64 serial, oh, I don't think that's a serial number. It might be an extra model number, so I don't know. I'll say serial number. FD920500064. Same thing, 120 volts, 12 amps. Well, not the same, but 12 amps. Made in USA. Not much to that, but it's a very nice dishwasher. It's got a little trap pan here, or maybe that's not a trap pan or something. Let me get up here. It's got on-off switch and it's got the selections. And that's just a nice little touch with the. We'll do the microwave. This is a Samsung microwave. Okay, I'm not going to bother with the focusing on here, so I'm just going to read it like always. It's a model, I don't know if you guys can see what it says. Model SMH1713W. Serial number is J5X7MTBA00027T. It's a 1.58 kW or kilowatt microwave. Yeah, there's really not much to that. So anyway, that's pretty much it with the microwave. Now let's get to the oven. Sorry about stuff, but this is what the burners look like. That's the large one. That's the small one. I can't find any specs on. Oh wait, hang on. See something under there? What is that? Oh good, there's specs. Perfect. Sorry about that. Gosh. It is a model. Yeah. That's as best as I'm gonna get, guys. Unfortunately, I might have to tilt this thing over to the side, but anyway, that should be good. It is a model JB S JBS55D M2WW. Serial number is AV2-14303Q. It is got 2 kilowatts, so it's 7.9 kilowatts and 10.5 kilowatts. So it's probably one for broiler and the other one for the cooker. That should be everything. That should be all the appliances in the house. This is just all the fixed kitchen appliances, like the ones that are always in the kitchen. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. The video's too long. Alright, thanks.